Everything about the biography of the butterfly. Species abundance. Butterflies are the most familiar of insects to humans due to their beautiful colors and visits to flowers. There are around 17,500 species of butterflies worldwide, with approximately 750 species found in the United States. Immatures. The larvae of both butterflies and moths are known as caterpillars. They are generally highly distinct, and in certain situations, they may be easier to spot than adults. Their skin may be lost 4 or more times throughout development, with each molt often affecting the colors and appearance of the caterpillar. They consume voraciously in order to convert plant matter into the tissues they'll require for transformation. Characteristics that are unique. Butterflies and moths are the only insects with scales on their wings. However, certain butterflies have scales that are decreased. Their ability to coil up their proboscis sets them apart from other insects. Associations between plants. Butterflies and plants are frequently connected, yet the relationship can be complicated. Immatures, with a few exceptions, devour plants and are hence potentially detrimental. Butterfly pollination is critical for many plants that rely on flower-visiting insects for cross-pollination. The majority of butterfly caterpillars consume one or more related plant species. When it comes to laying eggs, the adult female usually has the last say. Adult butterflies normally eat on nectar from plant blooms. However, many butterflies, especially in the tropics, feed on decaying fruit, manure, and other waste products. Butterflies have two sorts of wing colors, pigment and structural, which are commonly blended in one individual. Paints, dyes, and inks all use pigment colors, which are specified as distinct compounds with a known chemical makeup. Structural colors, on the other hand, are created in a physical manner comparable to that of a rainbow. Morpho butterflies are a common example of structurally colored butterflies. Migration. The monarch butterfly is the finest example of butterfly migration, as it is well known to migrate in the fall to overwintering locations in California and Mexico. However, some other butterfly species in the United States migrate across shorter distances. Buckeye, painted lady, purple wing, great southern white, cloudless sulfur, and little sulfur are only a few of them. Vision. Butterflies appear to have great eyesight, especially over short distances. They can fly precisely in places with a lot of obstructions. Mating patterns. Males and females are typically able to mate on the day of emergence. However, males usually do not mate for several days. The rituals of courtship differ greatly between species. Classification. Butterflies are presently divided into 6 families, each of which has its own set of arguments. Hesperiidae. Skippers are tiny, fast-flying animals that are known as skippers. There are around 3,000 species in the globe. Lycaenidae. Coppers, blues, and hairstreak sexes have different colors and patterns. There are around 5,000 species in the globe. Nymphality. There are multiple subfamilies of brush-footed butterflies. There are around 5,000 species on the planet. Papilionidae. Also known as most species, including the swallowtail and butterflies, have distinctive tails. There are around 600 species on the planet. Pyridae. Also known as yellows and whites, are the most prevalent hues. There are over 1,000 species on the planet. Rhyodinidae. Metalmarks are sometimes classified as members of the Lycaenidae family. There are around 1,000 species on the planet.